Hello! Thank you for joining for another episode at Investing with All I See is W. Today, I wanted to make this video to share with you my ideas on a company called Aphria by the ticker APHA. I wanted to share with you the future outlook of this company because I feel like if you were to make an investment in this company, it can potentially make a run in the long-term future by many folds in terms of what you put in. Alright, now the reason why I feel this company is going to grow in value is because the demand for cannabis has changed not only in Canada, but you see in Europe there's a high demand for that, as well as in the United States. I believe that with states like Colorado and California being the first driver states that have legalized medical marijuana use as well as recreational use, I feel like eventually the norm will change with how people perceive the use of it. And if it's used for medical purpose and for recreational use without any safety issues, then I feel like the business will continue to expand, and there's so much revenue being poured into just the cannabis industry. So for that reason, I feel like investing in a company like Aphria, there's high potential for future value growth, because in Canada, Aphria is considered like one of the top known companies with an employee size of about 1,500 employees to support its manufacturing capabilities. And what I know is that Aphria makes products for medical use and for recreational purpose as well. And the fact that I've just learned that it may potentially purchase a company in Chicago called Free, where it operates on the candy side, there could be potential where you see candy and the use of cannabis being infused together. So that could be an actual business that Aphria can get in on top of acquisitions and mergers with potentially Aora Cannabis, ACB. So all those news that will be coming in the future is going to bring this share price up. But now let's get into the technicals here, looking at the data. All right, so what we see here is we're looking at Aphria's current share price. I'm looking at Webull. I like looking at this source because it gives you analyst rating as well as price targets. So the current price value at the end of today was $4.65. As you can see, it shot up. Each share price shot up by 14 cents at a 3.10% gain. All right, and now just looking at the 5-year trend chart, okay, as you can see in 2018, the price was hovering at $17.73. That's amazing. That's a very good resistance value. Let's look at 2018, a year later. The price was close to $15. Okay, now as you can see, hovering into 2019, of beginning of April, you see the price range of $10, and now the price is currently hovering around the mid $4. I feel like with all of the news coming with Aphria, with its ability to make positive proceeds for the company in terms of revenue and profitability, I feel like this company will continue to grow. And the fact that it's in the single digit range, and the fact that it's previously hovered in the double digit range 3 times not too long ago, just a few years ago, it can potentially bounce back very quickly here. All right, and I just want you to know that this company can grow, and don't lose sight of this potential here. All right, now let's scroll down and let's look at what analysts are saying on Webull. So of the 4 analysts rating, 2 are rating as a strong buy, while the other 2 analysts are rating as a buy. So that's good news here, okay? Now let's look at price target. Current price target is $5.31, where the current value is $4.65, with a high rating of $6.42. Now this all depends, because if you are a long-term investor, I feel like it can go up to like $15 within possibly end of year, or going into 2021 it may ramp up. But right now I feel like it's a great buying opportunity, just knowing that it's hovering at the low. I mean, just looking at the 5-year trend chart too, so if you park your money here, you're still in the low, while there's still that area of growth here. So looking ahead of the future, you might have an area of growth on the top here, and you're buying at the low point here, which is a great idea. All right, now I wanted to go over to another source here, just looking at Aphria summary. So as you can see, same information, and in the aftermarket there was a slight increase of 20.22%. Okay. Now as you can see, other people are looking at Aora Cannabis. There was talks about potential mergers, and this may potentially happen. And just information about employee size, as you can see here, 1,200, and its industry is in the drug manufacturer, specialty, and generic in the healthcare sector. Alright, so lots of good news, and just wanted to share my ideas with you, and I hope this video was valuable for you. And if you find this video valuable, please hit the like and subscribe to my channel so I can make more content related to Aphria. Thank you so much for watching another episode at Investing with All I See Is W. Thank you.